welcome back to my channel and a Merry Christmas to you. So today's video is just going to be simple, easy and straight to the point. This is like a DIY Christmas tree that I did exactly on Christmas Day. It was pretty easy. So if you do not have space in your house, this is like the best option for you. So first thing you want to do is just tape a triangle pattern using a paper tape to the wall. Then
jingle bells,
attach the garland that order.
jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle away, jingle. What away, jingle. Jingle away, jingle. What away. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Crashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Add ornaments, then you add your lights and you're done.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle away, jingle. What away, jingle. Jingle away, jingle. What away. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Crashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, peace.